The Smart 50 series offers autonomous cleaning. To do so, put the printer into error state by opening the ribbon hood. Hold down the buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds. This will put the printer into cleaning mode. At that point, remove the cards. Get your long cleaning card ready. This is an alcohol-based card and it's only good for one use. Remove your ribbon cassette. Put the long cleaning card into the printer and close the hood. The printer will take about a minute to do the cleaning process. It'll clean the print head as well as the rollers that drive the card through the printer. It may get a little noisy, but be patient. It's doing its job. Once the cleaning's finished, please remove the long cleaning card, replace your supplies, and dispose of the long cleaning card appropriately.